to Rajveer's World. Today we are unboxing an Octonauts toy from this magazine. So the Octonauts toy is the Gupke Swamp Set. So the toy has someone in it. I don't know who though. Even though this is the Gupke in the Swamp Set. The Swamp Set has these, and it also has a buddy, and it also has the Gupke. So I think this goes in. I think this goes in here. And then I think these might go I think these go somewhere.
Let's see.
Oh. So this goes here. Then it goes on that one.
Good.
So this is the Gupke set. And now we are doing this magazine. It has these stickers in it. And then it has a story in it. And now I know the name of it. The name of it is called Ranger Marsh. And then Octo Report. 9 banded. And then it's lightning fast. So it goes like start to the finish. And then we have this. I've already done it. And these are the wheels in it. The Everglades. And you search these pictures. And then there's some colouring and a poster. Some posters. And on the back, and then this is the whole page of the colouring. And then it's a map mission. Data collecting. Colour the bankers to fill them with the correct amount. And then it's a story. Create a report. Trace the letters. Four in a row. So it's player 1 and player 2. Butterfly cupcakes. And it's how to make it. And learn the letter D. New vehicles figures. And the new toys. Toy range out now. Spot the difference. You have to spot all of the differences in this picture. I found a difference. This is here and this is not here. Crawling caterpillar. And all of these stickers. And this is issue 135. And the total amount of stickers is 65. Bye bye. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.